We are in River State, Port Harcourt, River State, to do our annual general meeting and national conference. And the group you are seeing here is the Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors, ably led by myself, the president. I also have him alongside with me, the deputy president of the institute, the president of Quantity Surveyors Registration Board, and also a past president of the institute. And I also have another past president and a former minister. All of them are here standing with me, and members of the National Executive Council of the Nigerian Institute of Quantity Surveyors. We came for our program, and as usual, by us or normal, we go to pay courtesy call to the governors of the state where we are holding our events. And we came here to pay a courtesy call to the governor of River State, who had received us in audience. And we had a very useful interaction. We told him why we are here. And we're also pleased with the progress we have seen the governor making in terms of infrastructure development and all the beautiful things he's doing for the people of River State, and trying to alleviate the standard of living of the people of River State. We just came here to, interact with him and wish him well. The impact is we are trying to also let both the formal and informal sector know that it can only be better if they start using quantity surveyors in their project procurement of, in terms of using the service of quantity surveyors in the engagement of those who will manage their costs on projects. And in doing so, they will get more value for the money they are deploying on those projects. And that will eliminate too many things, particularly if you don't use the right person in terms of your costs. There are tendencies that those projects will be abandoned. And we know that River State don't have, even though it's a rich state, we know they don't have it limitless. So we have come here to tell the governor and the people of River State that with the engagement of quantity surveyors, no matter how small the resources are, that it can be used in a way that they will achieve their project objectives.